Today we're making Flarp to make funny noises. Ew. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Evelyn.
And my name is Lauren.
So today we're going to be making some Flarp, and if you don't know what Flarp is, it makes funny noises, like farts.
Really? No, I'm serious.
And the ingredients we'll be needing is glue, borax, hot water,
Regular one.
like room temperature water, some mixing utensils, and something to mix in. So let's get started.
First thing is
Glue. Now pouring the glue into the bowl. You can pour how much glue you want. Okay. And then we're going to be adding a cup of water. And then we're going to be mixing it all around.
yeah, we're gonna be adding color. Which one do you want to make now?
Purple.
Pick a book.
So we're adding 2 drops of red and 2 drops of blue. Holy moly!
Start purple.
It's purple. Purple liquid.
We gotta mix it well.
So while she's mixing, I'm going to make the borax solution. So you'll be needing 2 teaspoons of borax. This is really hard to get out. Borax. Oh, holy moly, the borax is all the way at the bottom. Ah, this is hard to open. So I'm adding 2 teaspoons of borax into the hot water. And now I'm going to mix the borax until it's dissolved. If you have hot water and you put borax inside of it, it actually dissolves quickly. The borax ready. What? You take forever to melt.
Then just crush it.
Whereas I can't see it. I don't want to go in there. Yeah, I feel it. Okay. Yeah, add more glue. Yeah, add more glue. So add more glue because it was like more like a liquid. Here. Keep yours. So we're mixing in the glue with the water. Now we are going to add our activator. Okay, so we want to mix it until like turns like a rubbery consistency. More borax to the mixture.
Okay.
Oh, it's so hard.
It's a big batch of slime. I mean, Flarp.
So now we're going to go in with our hands. But I'm going in with my hands. Holy moly! Ew!
I forgot to put my sleeves up.
What? It's so slippery! Look at this Flarp. Oh, yeah, Flarp isn't supposed to be stretchy. It's supposed to break. Like that.
So very slippery.
Oh. My bad. It feels weird and super, super slippery.
It might slip out of my hands in a second.
Oops.
You're hurting all my hands.
I'm sorry. Ew. It's supposed to be like the jiggly stuff. Oh. I'm gonna add more borax to them next year.
Why?
There. Oh, it's so warm.
It's so warm.
It's warm. This is a messy project.
4 hands is a lot.
Yeah, nice kneading with 4 hands. I'm gonna knead this side.
So slippery. Slippery when wet. Today we're making Flarp to make funny noises.
So we have our jars to make the funny noises. I don't have enough first. Ew, who farted in this room? It stinks really bad.
Not me.
Okay, who is farting in this house?
You.
No, it's the Flarp. Oh, the Flarp got stuck to the container. Oh, look. Okay, so that's there. Ew.
Ooh, I called it. They're very jiggly too.
No. Here. It's really jiggly.
So if you like this video, subscribe and comment down below what other videos should we do, and like this video.
The ingredients we'll be needing is glue.
Are you recording?
Borax, water, and hot water. Let's get started. Welcome to our channel, guys. My name is Evelyn. You forgot something.